Okay, Claire, this is how you change the percentage figures on the website. So I'm now going to reveal to you some trade secrets of the master web designer. Okay, so log in. Once you've logged in, by the way, these always appear at the top, so you can come to the front end and the back end at your leisure. When you click on Edit Front Page, it opens up in a separate page, in a separate tab. So this is now the back end of the home page, or the main website. If we then scroll down, we get to see, this is the box. So that bit there is that bit there. All we've got to do to change it is hover over this, the bar will come up. You're looking at, you can click on the actual where the words are, it's easiest. Opens up, animated numbers, and in there you just change your numbers to whatever you want them to be. That's the wording there, so you can change that if you want, but just be careful not to affect the coding, otherwise it all goes funny. And also, once you've done that, then click Save. Once you've done that, go up to here where it says Update, click Update. And then quick check on the front end. Excuse me, quick check on the front end, yeah. Everything's as you want it. Obviously, when you go back to the front end, having updated the back end, you obviously need to update up to refresh it, so it will show you the changes. And then voila, it's done. And that is how you will always edit the front page and other bits in there. As you will see, if you go into the back end, all these areas down here are where you can find the relevant text and pictures. And that's it. Hopefully that will help you. If you need any other clarification or have any other questions, then you know where to find me. Thank you.